now. Alright. Okay, so bank holiday Monday at the moment. Uh, Markets are moving, but you know they're not moving much. Obviously, it's bank holiday. Um, yeah, so I'd imagine we see a lot of consolidation here, but that's besides the point. So today I'm going to do weekly forecast. What I'm anticipating that we could see for the week. Obviously, we've got 4 days really trading, and whether or not the model shows up, we'll have to see. And yeah, I'm anticipating that we will see it appear at one point. Obviously, with this daily fair value gap up here, I'm still targeting on Nasdaq. I'm thinking that could be the case. Let's have a look at the news actually, so we can get like sort of a feel for what we're looking at. So yeah, as you can see, today Monday, fuck all going on. Tuesday, not much going on. Could be a good day to trade. Maybe low volatility, but yeah. FOMC meeting minutes, so that'll be of the meeting that was already held recently, but they're just reiterating it, I believe. Yeah, it's a detailed report of FOMC's most recent meeting, so it just summarises it all, which will probably be quite handy, to be fair. That could possibly give us a little push up in the middle of the week that we'd be looking for into this fair value gap. Although Honey Pips is at 21,226. 21,780, so that's what, 500 pips. I think maybe next week we'll end up reaching this. Not this week, but you never know. You could get a nice nice move like this. 2284 to 875, so that's 600 pips in a day. So you never know. You could easily get a big candle up there. So we just have to see how the markets react to this news. And yeah, like I say, I'll be looking for my model throughout the week. As you can see here, it's unlikely that if we trade above and then break down previous daily high with the inverse fair value gap and aim for previous daily low here, it's a bit more unlikely. I think price needs to come up a little bit more, generate some more sell side liquidity to take, or at least create a new range to trade in. So ultimately, I'm not anticipating too many trades on Nasdaq, but we may get one or two. US30 kind of looks more similar, and we've swept this high here, and yeah, I mean we got an imbalance here that we could end up going up into, pull back, and then push up. This looks like a bit more of a bullish model. But yeah, US30 is one of them ones where I haven't actually traded it live for a long time. So we're a bit more cautious with this because from my back testing, I've sort of found that the moves do happen, but the actual news drivers create much bigger candles, much bigger moves. So I just need to be conscious of that. And yeah, the setup does appear on this, just a bit less frequently. Let's say compared to gold, I've found that, well, I haven't done too many trades, but I find that I don't really like the setup on gold. It's just manipulated so much, where like it'll just be the wicks of the candles will like wick you out under the inverse fair value gap entry, and it's just not what I'm finding is as clean as US30 or Nasdaq or S&P. But yeah, I digress. Getting on to the rest of the week. So that's Wednesday. We got Thursday coming up. What we got on Thursday? Unemployment claims as usual. Governor Bailey for UK. So that may not have much effect. So, the AM session be the main. area of focus. And Friday, core PCE. And that'll also be, I think we got 31 days in May, 30, 31. Either way, towards the end of the week, I'm going to be looking at leaving out of the market, just because typically, if you think of the monthly profile of a candle, that's where it's going to consolidate. And yeah, Friday I'm going to stay out. Monday obviously is bank holiday today, so we're staying out. And yeah, to be honest, that's most of my index forecast, I guess. We'll just have to see how price moves. And yeah, Bitcoin is doing its thing at the moment, still at 108, 109k. Oh, we got a long way up there. Yeah, all good stuff. And yeah, I'm going to leave that here. I'm going to go get some back testing done for the start of the week to get myself back into it. And yeah, I will catch you in a bit.